Today, when I was running some tests with cartridges, I noticed that the Star Raiders cart was doing something kind of funny on my 1088 XLD prototype, which is what you see sitting here. And that's the Star Raiders cart that I got plugged in there without the shell around it. But what was happening, it was when I would power the system up with SDX Disabled, I would get these weird aberrations, kind of like a vertical line that kind of moved back and forth once I started the game. So let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and do that right now. I've got it. SDX is disabled. Let's go ahead and shut this down. Turn it back on. Let it come back up. Everything's fine with the intro screen, but pretty soon after we start it, you'll see the aberration appear. There it is. It's a vertical line. Let me see if it moves around. Yeah, it also moves around when we use the joystick here. Okay, so if we hop back into setup and I enable SparDOS, and we exit with B, so we'll save the setting and also do a software reset. And everything's okay now. Okay, let's go ahead and power this down. We're going to power it back up, and remember we have SDX enabled at this point. Go ahead and start it. And everything's just fine. Go into setup. Let's go ahead and disable it. Let's hit B to save that setting and reboot the system. This is not a power down, power up situation though. This is all being done through software right now. So SDX has been disabled. We'll start that. And everything's okay. Power it down and power it back up. And remember, we're powering up with SDX Disabled. There it is. So the interesting part to this whole thing is that it seems to relate to whether SparDOS is enabled or disabled in the U1 meg, but only when powering up the system. The system's already powered up. I can go in there and I can disable, enable as many times as I want. I've actually done this quite a bit before I did this video. And everything's fine. It's only on that power up state that it even matters at all. So once again, if you power up with SparDOS disabled, then you'll see those lines appear. And just to be clear, this system is a 1088 XLD, and it's in a PAL mode right now. So basically, it's got the PAL crystals are running, and it's got PAL GTIA and Antic in it as well. I haven't tried this yet with NTSC, and I also haven't tried this on my XEL either. So I'm not sure if it is only an XLD situation or if it is something in general that affects both the XLD and the XEL as well. So that's it for my video.